In the last 6 years, I've generated over $13 million in my online businesses. I get questions from my friends, family, old coworkers, and strangers online asking me, how did you reach that level of success? So in this video, I will break it all down for you. I will explain everything that I do so you can copy me and hopefully get some success for yourself. I want to start off by telling you that I am nobody special. I never went to college. I never went to university. I do not have a degree, but somehow I found a way to make millions of dollars online. I have other friends who are entrepreneurs who also do the same thing and generate millions of dollars every year online. This is one of the best online business models because there is no product research, there is no managing inventory, there is no talking to suppliers, there is no shipping required, there are no fulfillment centers, and you do not need to learn anything new to generate this crazy amount of money because all you need is yourself. All you need is your brain. It is crazy how so many people haven't figured this out just yet. So let me tell you exactly what I do. And truthfully, I accidentally became a millionaire by doing this. I had no intention of making this much money. I had no intention of starting an online education business. I had no intention to go in front of a camera and speak to you. But here I am. I am doing this because I saw results for myself. I am living proof that this works. And for me, this is not just about money. This is my purpose in life. It is my purpose to help as many people as possible become financially free. And that is because I've worked a 9-to-5 miserable corporate job for over 10 years of my life. And I know how it feels to go to a job that you don't like, just so you can make enough money to get by. But you will never be rich by doing this because you are working for someone else. In this previous YouTube video, I explained to you that if you just do this one thing, I promise you will see more money in your life. So if you haven't watched that YouTube video, go back to watch it because I promise this will change your life. Okay, so how did I generate all this money? It's quite simple. Believe it or not, I am confident that anyone can do this. A few years ago, I started my Amazon FBA business. I shared all my knowledge, value, and advice on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Facebook. I shared with people everything that I knew, and I helped thousands of clients start their Amazon FBA businesses as well. This started when I started seeing massive results in my Amazon FBA business. So I started posting some content online to help others start Amazon FBA businesses as well. I started doing this as a hobby. I had no intention of teaching. I had no intention of starting my online education business. But after posting just a few pieces of content on YouTube and starting my online community, that is when strangers started messaging me asking me, Tamara, can I pay you to help me start my Amazon FBA business? And I thought, what? Like, you want to pay me to teach you? That's crazy. I never thought of myself as an instructor, and I've never thought of starting a business around coaching. So the more active I was in my online community, helping others succeed and start their Amazon FBA businesses, that's when I started making more and more money. And that's when I thought, okay, I need to find a way to teach as many people as possible to make money selling products on Amazon. That's when I started my online coaching program. There is no better way to share valuable information online than to package it into an online course. So that's exactly what I did. After I started seeing massive success in my Amazon FBA business, I started teaching other people how to do it. And that's when I started my online education business. This happened by accident. This was not planned, but the more value I provided out there, I noticed that more people wanted to pay me to help them. So if you are good at something or you have specific skill sets or a ton of experience in a certain field, you can sell that information online because there are tons of people going on the internet every day trying to learn something. Like, just think of what you did yesterday. You probably went on the internet and you typed in how to bake a chocolate cake, or you typed in how to work out, or you typed in how to do cardio exercises. We are constantly on the internet every day trying to find information. And when we find information that is valuable and we know that we can benefit from learning this information, we probably will pay for that information because with valuable information, it provides transformation. So I was helping people transform their lives. I was helping people become financially free, and I am still doing that. And I do it through my online education business. In my first year of coaching online and putting myself out there on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, I was able to make $1 million in 1 year. That's right. That's $1 million in 1 year. And I did this all organically. I did not run any advertising during that time. I did not have to cold DM people. I did not have to do any of that. All I needed to do was to share everything that I knew about selling products on Amazon. And naturally, people gravitated towards my content and they paid me to coach them to help them make money on Amazon as well. Truthfully, I also hated being in front of a camera. I cannot tell you how many times I thought about quitting. I thought to myself, oh my gosh, get me off camera because I look funny. I don't want people from high school to judge me. I don't want people laughing at my makeup. I don't want people to think that I'm wearing funny clothes. Like I had all these thoughts running through my head, and sometimes I still do. Truthfully, my mind still tells me all these crazy things. But after I started getting just a little bit of result, that motivated me to keep pushing. That motivated me to create more content because obviously I was helping others. And when I help people through transformation, they will come back for more. So if you are someone that does not like being in front of a camera, I am telling you, you are leaving tens of thousands of dollars on the table. You are leaving behind a big potential to make millions of dollars online. And I know this because I've gone through it. Ignore that voice that tells you that you do not look good in front of a camera. Ignore that voice that tells you that you look funny or that people may make fun of you and that you might get some haters. All of that is just in your head. I promise you, when people see you online sharing valuable information, knowledge, and you are just giving out free advice, people only care about whether or not you can help them. It doesn't matter what you look like. It doesn't matter how you sound. I have a few friends that do not speak perfect English, but somehow they are providing so much information online that they were able to scale their online education business to 6 figures every month. So I know that if I am able to get these results and other people have also gotten these results, that is proof to you that you can also get the same results, if not better. But first, it all starts with you. So after making my first $1 million online, I thought to myself, okay, I need to do better. I want to do more. I want to challenge myself to make more money. I am always setting new goals after I have completed that first goal. And you should set some goals for yourself or else you will get nowhere in what you are doing. I am a huge believer in setting financial goals. And when you are losing that inspiration or motivation, you are looking back at your list of goals and doing whatever it takes to work towards it. So I made my first $1 million in 2019. That's when I had to change things around in my online education business because I wanted to scale to the moon. Why not? I needed a new challenge for myself. This was when I started hiring mentors and I started joining masterminds because I knew that if I want to get to the next level of success, which was 8 figures, I needed to be surrounded by the right people. I want you to understand that if you want success in your life, it is so important that you have the right network. It is so important that you are surrounded by the right people every day. Because if you are the only person in your circle of friends that want to become a millionaire, then you are not likely going to become a millionaire. Just imagine let's say you have 10 friends. And 10 of your friends are all into different things. Maybe they are into sports. Maybe they are into engineering. Maybe they are into building houses. They are into different things. And they are not interested in making more money. They just want to be comfortable. They just want to be lazy, or maybe they want to focus on playing video games, whatever it is. If you are the one person that is different in your circle of friends, then you need to find a different circle of friends. Or you need to be joining online communities where everybody is on the same journey doing the same thing. Because if you are in a room with other millionaires who are all on that same path to financial freedom and to making millions of dollars, guess what? It is very likely for you to become the next millionaire. It is very likely for you to succeed because since your surrounding is all about making money and doing better, chances are you will make money and you will do better as well. Other people will rub off on you. This is why it's so important to join communities where everybody is on the same journey. If you want to join my online community where myself and other creators are all on the same journey to blowing up our online education businesses, then make sure you click on the link in the YouTube description below. Join my free community and you will have access to a free introductory course. In this free course, I teach you how to find a profitable niche so you can start your own online education business. You can create your own online course around something that you are good at. Going back to hiring mentors and joining masterminds, I've spent multiple six figures learning from the mentors and being a part of these high-level communities. That was the only way how I was able to scale to over $10 million by selling online courses. I learned everything from beginning to end how to scale my online course. I learned about lead generation. I learned about building sales funnels. I learned about lead magnets. I learned about building an audience. I learned about creating better content. There are so many moving parts when it comes to starting your own online course business, but all you need to do is create your online course one time and you can resell that same course over and over again. And we already talked about the best part. There is no product research, no inventory, no shipping, none of that. There are no wait times to make money because it all starts with you. So the more time you can invest into this, the quicker you will be to making money. There are no upfront costs because all you need is your brain. You are selling information that you already know. So for example, if you are good at cooking, maybe you can start an online course around cooking. If you are good at cardio exercises, maybe you can create an online course teaching people how to do cardio. The ideas are endless and there are millions of people every day going online, how to do cardio, how to cook, how to train my dog. The money is already there. You just need to create your online course one time and resell it to people over and over again. One of my students, Tian, followed just one strategy that I teach inside of my program, Cash Flow Courses, and she was able to generate $7,000 within 14 days. And she did this before she created an entire online course. If you want to learn about the different components when it comes to creating an online course, then I want you to watch this YouTube video right here. I broke down everything step by step so you can get a clear picture on what to do when you are launching your online course. And I also have more free training for you when you join my online community. If you want to join my beginners cash flow courses community and chat with me directly, then all you need to do is click on the link in the YouTube description below to join my community. I can have a chat with you to discuss your niche, to discuss how to package your online course. Basically anything you need help with, you can chat with me inside of that community. Now, if you've made it to this part of the video, then you are probably someone that is very serious about starting your own online course to generate a ton of money online by selling your own expertise. I've had people tell me, oh, I can do this all by myself. I can create an online course. I can put out content on YouTube and Instagram just like you. I can do this without any mentorship and without any help. But the truth is you can't, because if you were capable, you would have made money by now. There are lots of people who think that they can do things all by themselves. I don't know where this thought process comes from, but like I said earlier, if I did not have mentors, if I did not invest into education myself and learn from people who are doing better than me, I will not be here today. I would not be speaking to you. I would not have the opportunity to teach people to do what I do because I would not be qualified to teach what I do. But all thanks to learning from my own mentors and other people who have been on the same journey as me, that is the only way how I was able to succeed. So if you are someone that thinks that you can make multi-millions of dollars all by yourself, you probably should drop that ego and have an open mind to letting others help you succeed, because that is the fastest way to making a lot of money in anything that you do in life.